This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by measuring and combining ingredients so the Ninja heats evenly. Pour 2 cups of milk or a milk water mix into the carafe. This controls richness and foam. Add 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa, 1 to 2 tablespoons sugar, and a pinch of salt to balance bitterness. Once mixed, pre-warm the brewer with a quick cold water rinse to remove residual flavors and ensure consistent temperature. Make sure tools are at hand. Whisk, frother, and a heat-proof mug. You'll need them immediately. Now you'll brew and emulsify. Select the classic or hot setting on the Ninja and start the heating cycle so milk reaches near simmer without burning. While it heats, whisk the cocoa and sugar vigorously in the milk to dissolve particles. This prevents gritty texture. Once the machine warms the milk, engage the frother or use a handheld for 15 to 30 seconds to create microfoam and integrate air. Doing so improves mouthfeel and helps the cocoa fully suspend. Make sure to monitor temperature to avoid scalding. Finish by pouring your hot chocolate into a pre-warmed mug and spooning the froth or cream on top for texture. You can sprinkle cinnamon or cocoa for aroma. If your drink is grainy, reheat gently and whisk hard or strain through a fine mesh to remove undissolved cocoa. You'll recover texture without losing flavor. If it tastes scorched, stop, discard, and thoroughly clean the carafe. Then use a lower heat setting next time. These steps protect flavor and extend your Ninja's performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.